Hey, Dan here with 3D Auto Repair. Today we're looking at a 2012 Toyota Tacoma. Customer called in and said that they were intermittently getting some very stiff steering, what they felt like. They would turn the wheel, it would get kind of hard to turn, and then it would get easy to turn, and then they would turn it back and it would be kind of hard to turn and then easy to turn. They also felt like they were kind of constantly steering the truck, which was not normal for them as they'd owned the vehicle for quite a while. Got the vehicle in, inspected the tie rods and ball joints to make sure there was nothing like that going on. And then we happened to notice that the intermediate shaft, the steering intermediate shaft, was exhibiting some binding. If you don't know what that is, the intermediate steering shaft goes between your steering wheel and either the power steering gearbox or the rack and pinion. We advised them that we would need to take that off and verify that that's what was going on. They said, sure, go ahead. As you can see here from this is the actual intermediate shaft out of the vehicle. It turns real easy one way, and it requires a lot more effort to go the other way. So that means that this U-joint in here is starting to get dry and stiff, and that's what's causing that stiff steering feeling. Got a new intermediate shaft for them, stuck it in there. Took it for a drive, definitely made vast improvement on the way the vehicle steers. We went ahead and realigned the vehicle to make sure the steering wheel would be straight for them. Got the customer back on the road in a timely manner, which they truly appreciated. So if you're having an issue with your vehicle where the steering is getting erratic or it's feeling a little bit different than what you're used to, we do offer free estimates. Please feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to take a look at it for you. My name is Dan. Thanks for watching. Look forward to seeing you at the shop. And please share this video so other people can get this information.